Hey, Tutu. Yeah, eating 2 strawberry. He already ate 2 of it. The same size. Yeah, it's a big one. Did you know you're not eating any rice today? Nothing but strawberry. Mommy even shouldn't show you this. Yeah. Oh, you returning to the bar. Yeah. To the place. Yeah. Wow. Is it yummy? Happy boy. I think it's sour. Doesn't matter, huh? Is it yummy? Wow. Ooh, wow. Big bite. Ooh. Put them all. Put it up. Done? You better finish it. Nobody want that. I told you it's sour. Yeah. Is it yummy? Yeah, da. Okay. That's it. So bye-bye. Kiss, kiss, Toma.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Kiss, kiss, kiss. No kiss, kiss? Okay, bye-bye.